Whoa, nice lawnmower, dude. Let's see it. Guys, let us know in the comments below if you like this lawnmower. Little Tykes. Is this one of your favorite ones?
No, I don't know.
It's pretty good, actually. Not bad. All right, let's see it. Push it around, see how it works. Really cool.
Like, when you push it, these, like, pop up.
Yeah, let's go the highway. Oh, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Dude.
What?
What's that there?
I don't know.
Go see. Bring the lawnmower.
It's like a safe.
Bro, it's a safe. Abandoned safe? What? Can you open it? Is there any way you can open it?
I don't know.
Dude, are you kidding me?
It's locked. Locked.
Is it heavy? When you can't unlock it, eh, at all?
What?
Man, that's crazy. What do you think's inside there?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, listen. We're gonna have to go get your brother and see what he thinks about this and if he can help us out with this thing. And maybe he knows what's inside it. Maybe it's his. Because I know it's not mine. Is it yours? No, it was just randomly there. What? Okay, let's go get him. Come on. Let's go do it. Let's go find them. Dude, come see this. Come see what we found. You're never gonna believe it. You're never gonna believe it. Go, run, guys. Someone's gonna take the safe. I think it's a safe. I don't even know what it is. Let's go. Dudes, come on, bros. Check it out. Look what we found, bro. Look at that.
Where'd you find that?
We thought it was yours. Is it yours?
No.
No? It was just abandoned here. We saw it, found it underneath this, dude. We can't even figure out. Like, we thought it was yours because there's like even a little section here for the key, but we don't have the key. We obviously can't open it. We don't know the code. Actually, the numbers don't work.
Yeah. What?
Can you try some codes? Nothing works?
Yeah, it doesn't.
What is happening? What? All right, we're gonna have to transfer this into the garage and try to open it. Do you think there's any way we can open this thing?
If we break the lock.
Okay, we're gonna have to find a way to break the lock. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this thing on the lawnmower. We're gonna push it up to the garage because it's pretty heavy. Put it there. You guys will push it to the garage, and then in the next video, we're gonna try to open this thing up and see what's inside. Hopefully, we'll be able to do it. Whoa, 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 bros, take it easy. This is crazy, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see what's if you want to see what we do with the safe and if we're able to unlock it, because it's pretty heavy.
It's falling off.
Falling off. It's gotta have something inside it. I bet you.
Yeah.
What do you think is inside it?
Money?
Money? What do you think is inside it? Toys?
Wallet.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
All right. I guess we're gonna see in the next one. We'll try to open this thing up. We can use. What do you think we can use for this? Hammer?
Yeah.
Baseball bat? Drill?
Not a baseball bat.
Yeah.
Power drill? Power drill it?
Okay. Please
got
don't
it?
fall. Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
Just
go.
move it
go.
here.
All right. That lawnmower is pretty good. It's actually holding it up. Oh, it's gonna fall off.
Please don't damage.
All right.
Someone
So
open the thing.
you think there's money inside it? You think there's toys inside it? I think there is
Nothing.
gold.
What? How is there
I
gold?
think there's gold inside it.
Open the gate.
All right. We're here in the garage. We're good.
We
Okay.
finally made it.
Finally made it. So, hold on. We're just gonna unload it now, put it down, and we're gonna try to find some tools to break into this thing. And like I said, you guys make sure to subscribe, click like, because in the next video we're going to try to open this thing up. We're gonna try to actually, you know what? We could even try to run it over with our ride-on Jeep. I think that could open it. You never know.
What?
What do you think with this car too? We can try to run it over.
That's just gonna damage it.
But yeah, but it could break it open and then it just pops up. Who do you think left that? I don't understand. Why would it be abandoned just like that? Alright, so thanks for watching this, and we will post a new video real soon in a couple of days for you guys to see what's inside this thing. Hopefully we can open it. Alright, see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.